So here is small first aid kit that I bought from outdoor store. Discount price was something like 4 to 5 euros for this. So basically it cost nothing. I mainly bought this because of the package. The material is somewhat waterproof. Size is just perfect for pocket use. And everyone can recognize that this is a first aid kit because red color and cross. I have to mention the color thing here because according to international standards, identification of first aid kit should be white cross in green background like this, not white cross on red background. Don't know how long this have been the standard. Usually people are looking red color when they are looking first aid kit. So there is 28 bandages in total in this kit, which is a little bit too much for the kit this size, but they are cheap, so they have filled the space with these. Then there is also one soap wipe, one cleansing wipe, contains water and salt, and one antiseptic wipe. These are actually quite nice, not too small, so I would use these in my kit. Then there is also 6 alcohol prep pads here for pre-cleaning stuff like knife blade. Also you can clean the skin with these. These are quite small and seem to be quite dry, so I would replace these. I will do another video where I show how I have customized this kit. I call this customized kit as mini first aid kit. So check the video. Okay, here we have a little bigger kit. This did cost also around 5 euros after discount, so quite cheap. I bought it because of the price and the platform, which is kind of a fanny pack. You can easily put this to your waist, so it's quite easy to carry and access while doing some outdoor stuff like hiking or working or something like that. Actually, this is not too bad for the price. The pack is okay, it's waterproof and includes much more stuff compared to the kit I just showed you. Okay, let's check what is inside. Here you can see the items that this first aid kit contains. As you can see, we have plastic tweezers here, small scissors, mainly for cutting tape or small items, safety pins. You can do quite a lot with these. We have small tape here, triangular bandage, iPad, roll of PPT bandage, kind of soft elastic material which you can wrap around gauze pads, etc. 2 small gauze pads, 5 times 5 centimeter. This seems to be some kind of waterproof bandage, butterfly bandage, couple of first aid dressings. Basically these are just big bandages. 2 small alcohol prep pads here, 2 antiseptic iodine pads, and a first aid manual in Finnish and Swedish language. Something like this is good to have in your first aid kit, especially for someone who don't know what to do. Something like this covers basic stuff and is in fast to read format. You know, how to stop the bleeding, first aid for skin burns, CPR, snake bite, etc. It's all covered in here. This is a little better first aid kit compared to the pocket kits but I would still customize this heavily. You can fit a lot of more stuff to this. There are quite much empty space in here. Later on I will do another video where I will show my first aid kit for hiking use. When I will customize this kit, I will put those items to this one also, so this will be eventually one of my hiking first aid kits. Next one. This is actually the first aid kit I bought. The price was $18.50, as you can see. Nowadays this would probably cost at least double. When I bought this, I needed kit for my car and did not know much about first aid kits back then. So I kind of did the classic thing, just bought this kit based on the size and opened it probably only once. I did not spend too much time to study what I had bought, which is not a very good thing, as I explained in earlier video. So let's see what we have here. Actually, the layout of this kit is really good. This leaflet here clearly indicates what the first aid kit includes, and you can see pretty fast all the items what this kit includes. Then there is a short first aid manual, a card where you can write patient's name and extra information about medicines, etc. Then there is insurance application form. Here we have plastic cover. Size seems to be 1.4 times 2 meters, so quite big. In this pack, which I have never opened before this, let's see what we have here. We have pencil, first aid dressing, bandages, gauze pads, more bandages, CPR mask, seat belt cutter, safety pins, and some kind of net, for example to secure gauze pads. And here we have 2 dressing units. One unit contains gauze roll, 3 gauze pads, this green plastic from this side, some kind of protection dressing or cover, what you would call this, and then triangular sling, or what you would call this in English. This is also quite small first aid kit for car use. I would add few items to this one also. I can do a video from my actual car first aid kit at some phase if people are interested, so let me know. Okay, one more kit. This is a little bigger compared to the last kit. This is not my car kit, but this is around the size I would use in my car. The platform of this one is quite similar to the previous kit. You can see from here quite fast what the first aid kit includes. This one also includes first aid manual, but it's printed to here. From here you can see quite fast some basic stuff. Okay, let's see what this one includes. Here's a leaflet what indicates what you have in this kit. Application form. To these you can write patient's name and medication and what you have done, etc. Triangular sling, some Red Cross sticker. I guess that you could put this to your car to show that you have first aid kit inside the car. Here we have dressing unit. This seems to include 2 plastic covered bandages, I guess for covering injured area, 1 elastic bandage and 2 triangular slings. In this side we have a quite big space blanket, 2 gauze pads basically, gauze roll, tape, gauze pads, cleaning wipes, more cleaning wipes, bandages. In this side we seem to have 5 gauze rolls, pen, seatbelt cutter, CPR mask, reflector, two gauze dressings and a pair of gloves. This is quite nice kit for your car already. I guess I could add a few items to this one also, but there are some basic stuff you need. You could customize this according to your needs. So here was my short review for these kits. Quite basic kits which you can buy from most supermarkets anywhere. Quite often these supermarket kits, like at least these 3 here, are filled with basic stuff and you should customize them a little bit. The bigger one I did show is a little better, but I would still customize it a little bit. I hope that this video gave you some ideas what these ready-made first aid kits usually include. All of these first aid kits are different and there are no 2 kits that are similar what comes to the content. If you don't have any first aid kits, buy something like this or this one and then customize it according to your needs.